I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 2 of 33 Card Street in Berserker. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit sits in a small, secure 8-unit complex. Come and have a look at what it has to offer. This bright, modern, 2-story unit has the kitchen, living space, 1 bedroom and a bathroom upstairs, and downstairs we've got the 2nd bedroom and laundry. But the star of the show must be this large, private balcony. And look at this bonus, your own little backyard. If you are looking for low maintenance, secure living, or a fantastic investment in Berserker in a central location, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.